Hello everyone, I'm Maricel Entamayo, the discussant for today. I am discussing with you the lesson about Introduction to Wave-Based Instruction. My topic was taken from the internet, but the video was mine. Welcome for today's lesson. I hope you have your pen and paper for your note-taking, as we are about to discover new learning opportunities. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the session. Let's start. As the internet technology is introduced, it makes a new revolution in information technology. The wide use of internet also affects the methods of education. It is a global network and gives the concept of global classroom where any number of students can interact with each other at any time. The WWW gives attractive features to wave-based education, which are the ability to have multimedia documents, the hypertext or hypermedia capability, WWW network bases allowing for distance or formal learning. According to Power in 2001, Sikor and Dibanatan in 2011, wave-based instruction refers to providing a learning environment that is mediated and supported via the internet or internet and connected to a computer with hyperlinks to resources outside the instructional domain. The instruction is designed so that the computer displays lessons in response to learner or user interactions, quoted by Farid in 2008. Let us give the meaning of wave-based learning. So, wave-based learning is one way to learn, using wave-based technologies or tools in a learning process. In other words, learner uses mainly computers to interact with the teacher, other students, and learning material. Wave-based learning consists of technology that supports traditional classroom training and online learning environments. Pure wave-based courses are wholly based on computer and online possibilities. In this case, all the communication and learning activities are done online. Wave-based learning can be also formal or informal. Formal wave-based learning is purposed and learning activities are organized by teachers, while informal learning takes place while you are searching material from the internet. It is self-paced depending on your goals and ambition to learn. Khan in 1997 defines wave-based instruction or WBI as a hypermedia-based instructional program which utilizes the attributes and resources of the World Wide Web to create a meaningful learning environment where learning is fostered and supported. There are two types of wave-based instruction. First is asynchronous. In asynchronous, the education module is to be installed from a particular website and then we can unpack it offline on our machine. In this case, there is no mutual interaction of student with teacher. While synchronous, in this type, there is synchronization among the students and teacher online. This synchronous web-based education provides the most emerging concept of e-learning. The reasons for the growth of WBI include growth of distance education economically as compared to computer-based training, live broadcast, videotapes, and so on. It enables learners who prefer or are required to learn outside traditional classrooms to attend classes at their homes or offices, enhancing student learning, spending more time with students working in small groups or one-on-one, reducing repetitive teaching tasks, reducing paper flow and management, and providing improved instructional materials. Wave-based instruction frees the students from space and time. In such a setting, the students are to follow the instructional content at their own learning pace and needs. An introduction to the principles of way-based instruction and its role in creating learning environment that utilize the attributes and resources of the Internet and the World Wide Web emphasis will be placed on pedagogical, technological, organizational, institutional, and ethical issues related to the design, development, and delivery of WBI. In the development of WBI, we have the navigation. Navigation is the process of reading and controlling the movement of a craft or vehicle from one place to another. Then, interactivity. In computers, interactivity is the dialogue that occurs between a human being and a computer program. Graphics. Graphics are visual presentations on some surface, such as a wall, canvas, computer screen, paper, or stone to brand, inform, illustrate, or entertain. Examples are photographs, drawings, line art, graphs, diagrams, typography, numbers, symbols, geometric designs, maps, engineering drawings, or other images. Next is image, an imitation, representation, or similitude of any person, things, or act sculptured, drawn, painted, or otherwise made perceptible to the sight. A visible presentation, a copy, a likeness, an effigy, a picture, a semblance. Next is animation. Animation is the rapid display of a sequence of images of 2D artwork or model possession in order to create an illusion of movement. Then the last is teaching and learning. In practical development, student-centered approaches and student-active learning have been adopted as an appropriate teaching technology. Effective teaching means designing the teaching or learning context so that students have every encouragement to react with a level of cognitive engagement, quoted by Sikar and Divanathan in 2011. For WBI design, instructional design is a systematic process that instructional designers should follow in order to achieve the creation of efficient and effective instruction. Then we have the ADDIE model. ADDIE model was initially developed by Florida State University. This model originally contained several steps under the 5 original phases. These are analyze, design, develop, implement, and evaluate. The first step is analyze. Analysis refers to the gathering of information about the learner, the task to be completed, and the project's overall goals. Second step is design. In this phase, instructional designer begins to create his project. The third phase is development or develop, related to the creation of the activities being implemented. This stage is where the blueprints in the design phase are assembled. The fourth step is implement. This stage allows the instructional designer to test all materials to identify if they are functional and appropriate for the intended learner. And the last step is the evaluation or evaluate. The final phase, evaluate, ensures the materials achieve the desired goals. Here are the advantages of WBI. WBI is advantage to remote learners. WBI is auto-instructional or self-instructional. WBI is cost-effective and has flexible timing. WBI is both formal and non-formal setting of education. WBI is very helpful for large group of students. Learner can also undergo training from any place or location. WBI can repeat the lesson several times for the convenience of the learner. That would be all for my session. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.